find a screwdriver? Mayhem.
Yeah, on the Escapists.
That's what you were protecting.
So she's continuing to find her screwdriver.
It's right there.
Are you going to change your pants or are you going like that?
No, I'm gonna change.
No, Allie, they're gonna kill you. They're just gonna kill you. Allie, they're just gonna kill you.
Where we at? Anyway.
You need to put your stuff in your chest. Pause quickly.
I need to find out why my paycheck is almost $100 more.
Yeah, that's kind of weird. It might have been a bonus from the audit.
Now you gotta go find that screwdriver.
It's breakfast. I gotta do this. Come on.
So we'll be right back after she checks all of those desks. Be right back, guys.
Hold on. Remind me to sing.
Okay, guys, we are
I'm gonna
back.
have you end up calling on that for me.
And I got.
Find out about the student loan stuff because it was supposed to be.
I got my.
It was tonight?
That's what I thought until...
And then
I got-
they sent me bills.
Dang, bro.
That's what my school did too. And I told
Guys,
Danny, I was like,
okay, I got my recipe book.
A few bucks, bro?
Can't really see it that well.
Huh? What is it?
I was like,
What
it's
is it?
supposed to be deferred and I'm supposed to be able to use that money toward the grant money towards paying it off. And here it hasn't come.
I know that note. What?
Ooh, Allie. You can make a flimsy pickaxe. You know that guy that doesn't like you that sells the crowbar? You need that. You also need file and timber. And duct tape.
Is there anyone coming to visit me?
No, just get off your bum. We'll be right back after she does that.
Frankly.
Now. Okay guys, we're back. She hasn't done that actually.
It's actually my job.
Sorry. I'm really sorry. I bumped into you.
Whoa, whoa,
And
whoa.
so, yo.
Wrong side.
Okay.
Come on this side. It's okay.
How can I do the opera thing?
That was your goal.
Oh
Every time.
She was getting ready.
no. We
to,
seriously
hug
had
my
just talked
sore
about
spot.
this
Oh.
in the last video. Lauren, it wasn't the opening.
Oh.
It
When's
was like,
the opening?
it was like 2 minutes ago. Lauren!
What? Am I not allowed to sing?
No.
I have an audition.
Audition for what?
Show fire.
Okay, we'll be right back, guys. She's gonna finish her job and find a screwdriver. Finally, she better. I'm not playing this video. Allie, go back to Enzo right now. He had a screwdriver for sale. You need to make money quickly.
How?
Do tasks. We'll be right back after she does tasks. Guys, we're back. She got sent to solitaire and
Solitary.
yeah, solitary. And wait, Allie, go hide in a closet so that your suspicion lowers.
Wait, so I have to go hide in my room?
No, you have to go hide in a closet
Why in a closet?
because they won't be able to see you.
Where's the closet? Where am I gonna find it?
Near the medical area. Go there,
It's going up.
and you just wait there. See, closet, right up there. Why? Okay, we'll be right back after the suspicion gets to 0, okay?
Angel?
Guys, we're back. She came out, but it didn't go all the way to 0. She only needs... She needs some soap. She just... Soap. No. Soap. No soap, but chocolate. Oh no, he's coming for you. He's coming to get you. Al, hide. No, you gotta hide. Al, you have to hide. Al, you have to hide. Just find soap. Al, just get soap. Just go out there, grab some soap, and make a sock maze, give it to the guy, and then buy that screwdriver, and you can be out of there. Okay, when it gets down to 80, you can go out.
Oh, look, it's almost time to work.
No, it's fine.
Why am I taking everybody's chocolate?
Out, out, quickly, out. Yes, got that.
Hide.
Go.
Oh. Why is it?
Showing you where you are. Skip the middle. Okay, go get Darwin. Allie, Darwin.
Can you put the laptop away from me?
He went outside.
Really be helpful.
Don't. Darwin.
I'm gonna tuck it under the couch right now so it can stay on the charger.
Where's Lexi?
We'll be right back when she finishes her job. Okay, guys, she made a sock maze. As you can see, it's right there. So she has to give it to Odell. She's gonna give it to Odell. Odell. Wait.
Let's take this in.
Is that Odell? No, it's Darwin. Go find someone else.
Odell, right?
Yeah, Odell. We'll be right back, guys. Guys, we're just going to end the episode here because we might stop doing Screwdriver Mayhem until she finds a screwdriver. Like, once she finds a screwdriver, we'll start the video once she finds it and start these Screwdriver Mayhems. So we will see you in the next video, everyone. Bye!